coronavirus disease of 2019, also known as COVID-19, is an ongoing health emergency pandemic that is continuously spreading right now.
During this quarantine period, we are all hearing sirens of the ambulances passing by the streets from time to time. Have you ever wondered what causes the siren of the speeding ambulance to seemingly change pitch as it moves towards or away from you?
Is there really a change in pitch? Actually, there is none. What you are experiencing is a perceived sound shift due to a phenomenon known as Doppler effect.
So, what is Doppler effect? Join us as we journey to the world of wave frequencies.
They look something like this. We see the Doppler effect is happening when the thing that is emitting waves move. So, what would happen to the wavelength if the source of the emitting waves is moving towards or moving away from the observer? If the source that is emitting waves is moving towards the observer, then the observed frequency is higher and the wavelength is shorter. If the source that is emitting waves is moving away from the observed frequency is lower and the wavelength is greater. The stationary ambulance has the steady pitch, and the sound waves are uniform from all sides of the siren. As the ambulance moves forward, it starts to compress, increasing the wave frequency to an observer and the perceived sound at a higher pitch. As the ambulance passes by or moves away, the sound waves of the siren are spread out. Thus, the frequency of the waves result in a perceived lowering of the pitch from the observer's point of view.
Another is light waves from a moving source experience the Doppler effect to result in either redshift or blue shift in light's frequency. When the source of light, such as the star, is moving away from the observer, the wavelength of the emitted light will appear to increase, and it is called as redshift. Conversely, when the source of light or the star is moving towards the observer, the wavelength of the emitted light will appear to decrease. It is called as blue shift.
That's it. Doppler effect has been with us as we try to live in our everyday life, be it the creepy ambulance or fire truck sirens, or the scintillating light of the stars at night, or the ripples of the water while a bug or insect walks on it. Wave frequencies are always amazing, and it teaches us how to understand things in different perspectives.
Life is like a Doppler effect, arriving in waves
Bunch together,
Or stretch apart,
depending upon whenever you are.